Hello and welcome to the presentation of my project for the course TDDD27 Advanced Web Programming on LiU University. My project is a web app for playing Sudoku. So the basic functionality is this Sudoku board that uses the normal Sudoku rules, where you find, for example, that a 3 is missing in this box. So you use this pad to choose the possible numbers. For example, if a 4 and a 5 were possible, you would select like this. But now we know that only 3 is the possible answer. If we have 2, we cannot lock in. If there is only one option left, you can use this button to lock in as an input answer. You can continue here, for example, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. That's the next input. Lock that in. And if we would refresh page, the input would disappear. But there's functionality for signing in and storing the answers on the server. You can begin by signing in anonymously, like this. And now the answers will be saved on the server. When we reload, it is empty, but we can use this button to load the game from the server. And for example, if we think that this is a 5, that is actually incorrect. So the number of errors will tick up here. Now that we have a server, we can go to Profile and show the profile of this anonymous user. So the history only includes this game. You can search for other users. So there are some named users here. There are also a lot of anonymous users from the previous tests. And this search box is used to filter out users. There's also functionality for either signing in to Google as the first option before we sign in anonymously, but if you sign in anonymously, you can copy your progress to a Google account, like this, for example. Now we have this history on the Google account. There is also functionality for assigning new boards. So in a release version, this would maybe be restricted to administrator accounts, right? But right now, every user can set a new board, which is then displayed as the official board for all users accessing the site. And we see you can set a random board of a different difficulty level, and just press that one, and the new board will appear here. This is a hard one, but let's see if we can cheat our way into. Yeah, the number of errors will tick up, but anyways. And there's functionality for deselecting and working on another one here. You can see that it's 3, 5, and 6 are possible. And you use the usual Sudoku rules to, for example, rule out the 3 in this row and continue from that then on. For example, here you can see rule out the 6. That, rule out the 6 and only that one. unlocking the single file. This is the functionality of my Sudoku app. Another feature for the app is that if you navigate to the search to find another user, you can select this user and you can see all the different games here. And for example, we have liked these ones. You can like this and reload, and we see that the game, this user has been added to the list of people that have liked that certain game. You see here, this game is finished, the other have not been finished, and also the number of errors, as well as the date when the game was played.